Andy's Garage. I'm Andy Phillips. Today I'm going to show you how to fix a squeaking garage door. So let's go ahead and get started. To do it, pretty much all you're going to need is just a can of some spray white lithium grease. This particular one here is made by Liquid Wrench. I picked it up at Harbor Freight. You can get it for $6.99. Home Depot, Lowe's, places like that. They also sell some lubrication that's made for garage doors, but a lot of that stuff is pretty much just this stuff here, just this white lithium. So let's go ahead. We're going to go ahead and grease the actual track where the chain pulls, and then also the tracks where the little metal wheels roll on. Get that all nice and lubricated. Pretty much what you want to do is just apply this where any kind of metal on metal friction is, and that'll take care of any squeaking that you're having. So let's head up there and start spraying it. You can see right here where that rests on the track, the metal on metal. Hear that? That's where you're getting squeaking. It says that rubs in there. So we're going to apply the lithium grease right in here, so that way as this thing rolls, you don't have that rubbing on the metal. You do not want to spray it up here on the belt, because that's not the issue. But you do want to spray it right there where the metal on metal contact is being made. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and shake it real good. And then what we're going to do is apply it right here where that metal contact is being made. Let's see, pull that a little bit. There. I'm going to go ahead and give a light coating across this whole track right here as well on this metal. So that way as it slides along, it's always going to have that lubrication. And then we'll move on to the rollers. Want to be careful you don't overspray, because this stuff can drip a little bit. It's pretty slick. I'm going to go ahead and turn the door on just to let it go across that track and lubricate it. See how it sounds. Everything sounded good. All the squeaking was gone. So I believe that was the cause, but I'm still going to lubricate the rollers as well, just as a precaution. Just going to put a very slight puddle in this track right here, in this little gully where the rollers go, on both sides, and then that'll wrap it up. You can see it there. Just a light puddle for it to roll on. And we're doing that on both sides. Both sides of rollers have been lubricated as well. Let's go ahead and open and close the garage door, see how it sounds, and I think that'll wrap it up. All right, well that pretty much took care of it. $6.99 at Harbor Freight. Liquid wrench, white lithium grease. That's all it took, just lubricating the points where metal on metal friction. I hope this video helped you out. Please send me any questions, any comments. I would love to hear from you. As always, I appreciate all the support. Please like the video, subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you next time.